Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best outdoor bar is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your backyard oasis, instantly elevating your entertaining game and creating a dedicated space for mixing drinks, serving snacks, and enjoying the company of friends and family under the open sky, making every gathering feel like a special occasion without ever leaving home. Number 5. Keter Outdoor Rolling Table Cart. This versatile cart transforms any outdoor area into a stylish entertaining hub. It provides ample storage for all your drinks, snacks, and bar essentials, making every gathering effortless. With its generous XL size, it offers extensive space for food, beverages, and accessories. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Moving it is a breeze thanks to its built-in rolling wheels and convenient push handle. You can easily transport it from the poolside to the patio, wherever the party takes you. Crafted from tough, all-weather polypropylene and featuring a stainless steel top, it ensures long-lasting use. This durable construction makes it ideal for any family gathering and outdoor environment. Designed to enhance your everyday living, it offers a high-quality, durable, and stylish solution. It truly elevates your outdoor experience, making every moment more enjoyable. What we like. This rolling cart offers exceptional versatility and ample storage for all your outdoor entertaining needs. Its portable design with built-in wheels makes it incredibly easy to move wherever the party goes. If you're looking for a flexible, mobile bar or prep station that can handle any outdoor environment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. PHI Villa Outdoor Swivel Bar Stools. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style for your patio, deck, or garden. These bar stools are designed to transform your outdoor space into a luxurious retreat. Indulge in ultimate relaxation with their padded textile fabric. It's fade-resistant, tear-resistant, and quick-drying, ensuring a hassle-free outdoor lifestyle with easy cleaning. Crafted with a heavy-duty, powder-coated steel frame, these chairs are rust and weather-resistant. They promise long-lasting durability, supporting up to 250 pounds for all your outdoor gatherings. Experience ultimate flexibility with their special 360 degrees rotation design. The ergonomic back, armrests, and slightly tilted seat provide optimal comfort for hours of outdoor relaxation. This set includes 2 stools with adjustable knobs, ensuring perfectly even legs on any surface. Easy assembly guarantees stability, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without worries. With fully assembled dimensions of W23.25 XL 26XH 51.75 and a 30-seat height, they offer an ideal seat. Their simple yet stylish design combines functionality with a touch of elegance for any outdoor setting. What we like. These bar stools prioritize comfort and flexibility for your outdoor seating. The padded textile fabric ensures a comfortable, quick-drying experience, while the 360-degree swivel design offers ultimate freedom of movement. If you're seeking comfortable, durable bar height seating with excellent maneuverability for your patio, these stools are a perfect fit. What people say. Number 3. Best Choice Products 48 inches Eucalyptus Console Table. This versatile piece seamlessly transitions between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Its subtle, smooth finish makes it perfect as an outdoor display or an elegant indoor accent. Imagine the possibilities. Use it to showcase your vibrant flowers, serve a delicious buffet, or proudly display cherished family photos. It adapts to your every need. Crafted from naturally weather-resistant eucalyptus wood, it boasts a smooth finish for enduring beauty. Adjustable feet ensure stability, while rubber sliders allow for easy repositioning. Enjoy ample, versatile storage in as little as 15 minutes. Its straightforward assembly process means you'll have it ready in no time, with all necessary tools included. The slatted shelves provide a sturdy and easy-to-clean space. They are perfect for organizing your favorite flowers, succulents, or essential potting accessories. Measuring 48 by 16 by 30 inches, it offers generous surface area. This robust table can support up to 220 pounds, providing reliable storage for your items. What we like. This console table stands out with its elegant eucalyptus wood construction, suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. It provides versatile storage and display space, blending seamlessly into various decor styles. If you appreciate natural wood aesthetics and need a multifunctional piece that transitions effortlessly between your home and garden, this table is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Best Choice Products 5-Piece Outdoor Wicker Bar Table Set. This set is thoughtfully designed for your ease. It features a built-in bottle opener and a discreet storage shelf, ensuring everything you need is always at hand. Gather your loved ones around its 4 comfortable bar-height stools. With convenient footrests, they provide the perfect spot for enjoyable conversations and delicious meals. Its eye-catching style combines elegant wicker with a slatted metal tabletop. This unique design not only looks great but also allows for automatic drainage during wet weather. Crafted for longevity, it boasts all-weather wicker woven over a sturdy steel frame. Its removable polyester cushions also make maintenance a breeze, keeping it looking fresh. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for various outdoor settings. Place it on your patio, in your garden, or by the poolside to enhance any area. What we like. This 5-piece set is designed for ultimate convenience and social gatherings. It features a clever built-in bottle opener and a hidden storage shelf, making entertaining a breeze. If you're hosting friends and family and want a complete, compact bar setup with smart features, this gray wicker set is a fantastic option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 1. Best Choice Products 5-Piece Wicker Bar Set. This set is designed for ultimate outdoor convenience. It features a built-in bottle opener and a discreet hideaway storage shelf, perfect for all your entertaining needs. It includes 4 lightweight, bar-height stools, each with comfortable footrests. These are ideal for hosting family and friends, ensuring hours of enjoyable conversation. Its eye-catching style features all-weather wicker and a slatted metal tabletop for automatic drainage. This set is durably crafted with a sturdy steel frame, built to last in any outdoor space. With its compact size, it's perfect for various outdoor settings. You can place it on your patio, in your garden, or even by the poolside for a relaxing view. Maintenance is simple, ensuring long-term enjoyment. Its polyester cushions are removable, making cleaning and care effortless. What we like. This complete 5-piece set offers a stylish and durable solution for your outdoor entertaining space. Crafted with all-weather wicker over a steel frame, it's built to last and includes 4 comfortable stools. If you're looking for a cohesive, long-lasting bar set that fits well in various outdoor settings, this brown wicker option provides both style and resilience. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.